All right, this is a second example of writing equations for parabolas. So we went over this one, okay? This one was for parabolas going up and down, all right? And this is the equation you would use. Now, just separate this here. We're going to be doing equations for parabolas opening up from left to right, okay? Okay. Now for this, we're going to be using this format.
I'll give you a hint. It's either A or B.
I guess.
Yes. It's either A or B.
A.
All right, before we start putting numbers in, I want you guys to pay attention to just one thing really quick.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. All right, do you guys see the similarities between these two equations?
Yeah.
It's the same equation,
Yeah.
okay? But do you see how this is kind of flipped, transformed
Yes, I
over to the side?
understand. It's h plus p because h equals x, and so you're adding p to x.
There's an L.
Mm-hmm, because you're shifting this now,
Yeah.
right? You're shifting on the x-axis. Let's just label this really quick. All right. So what if I told you the vertex
Do we think they're X?
is at -1 and 4, and focus is at -3 and 4? How would you know what direction to go? How would you know which one to use?
I would use the one on the left.
Well, you're gonna have to come up. What if you did use it just based
Wait,
on an assumption?
I'm not basing it off of assumption.
Okay.
I'm basing it off the fact that we're using negatives, and the negatives are on the left.
Okay. Good. Well, that's my whole point. I
And
want
plus the focus is going to the left as well.
to the left. It's opening up, right? Remember, the focus is inside of the parabola. Okay. So if the focus is inside of the parabola and it's negative, the x is negative, you know it's facing this way. So we're going to be using a formula where the parabolas are facing to the left and right. This one. Okay. So if the vertex here, we know, is right here, -1, 4. This is not accurate. My drawing is not accurate. I'm just labeling it. The focus.
Professor Leonard is. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes, his is. Yes, his is very accurate.
You mean his R?
Everything is very accurate. Okay. So you know. I'm sorry.
Yep.
Yes, it's being recorded. Okay. So you know it's opening up this way.
Yes, we do.
Everybody has their superheroes. It's mine. Okay. All right, so how am I going to get this into that format? What do I need? I need to figure out what two variables.
We need to figure out h and yeah. Okay, you already wrote it. No use in me saying anything.
How am I going to do that?
You are going to use. Wait, does it give us the directrix? No.
Yes.
No.
Oh.
It gives us the vertex.
No, it's given us the vertex this time and the focus, so we got to figure out.
Wait. 1 second.
We're going to pull information.
We know
using
what
these
the
two.
goal is. Something else we need.
What's that?
Shouldn't it have given us what some of the variables equal? At least h.
No, well, that's what we're going to use. So let's look at focus, okay? Because we have that. What's focus? H plus P. Oops. This should be equivalent to this, okay? So what they're saying is K matches up with 4, okay? And this right here, H plus P, matches up with -3. So they're saying H plus P equals -3, okay? And K is 4. Now remember, what's K again? What's HK?
H is x, k is y, and those are the vertex.
It's the vertex, right. Does it match up? Well, we already know. You see how that is 4.
Mhm.
And we can see that that is -3. That's the focus. All right. So what can we assume about h?
H is the x axis. H. Wait, I don't know. Wait. Oh yeah. Alright, so
So what's the distance between this
-2.
and this?
-2.
-2?
-2.
Okay. If this is -2, then what do you think is going to be? Well, if it's -2, it's going to go this way, right? So we need it to go this way. Because directrix is to the right of this point right here. It's to this point. It's down here. Okay. So if we're shifting it, do I shift 2 points to the left or shift 2 points to the right?
To the right.
Yes. So we shift it to the right. Okay, so then what can we assume? We know P is, let me see, where are we so far?
P is -2.
I just lost my focus. Yes, P is -2. I'm sorry, where's H? Okay. You know what? It didn't even register. -1 is right there. So it's giving us H.
Yeah.
So we just don't know what P is.
Yes, we do.
Well, we could have also just,
We just solved that. You just
but I'm saying
explained.
that we could have also done this algebraically, okay?
You just told us.
I'm also trying to show you can solve this algebraically.
Okay.
Okay, -2. All right. So we've got our H, we've got our P. All we're gonna do is plug this into here, okay? Let me see where I can, let's do it right here. Okay. I think you guys can see that, yeah. Y minus, what's my K?
Sorry. 4, I think.
What's my P?
P is -2.
Uh-huh. X minus H, what's my H?
H is -1.
Mm-hmm. What's your negatives, okay? Remember what it happens to a negative?
Plus, well, positive.
Okay, let's just rewrite this. Simplify. Okay, now I know this doesn't look like the format that I gave you first off, but you can actually leave this in this type of format. The only thing I would suggest is making sure the Y's and the X's, yeah, you can just actually leave it in this format. Yep, this is done. As long as this aligns up with this, you're good. Okay?